Today I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to stop the photos on iMovie from doing this shitty zoom thing. It's pretty simple, it's not hard. So basically, as soon as you've got this in here, you want to select this, then go here, go to crop. Then this is the one that makes it go all this different size, and it's just a little crap shit. So if you want it to just be a flat still image that doesn't move, you just go and fit. Then you click off, then go back to here, press play, and it doesn't do it. So that's how to fix that problem. And it is annoying because I'm trying to make this new video at the moment of like a sort of educational one for YouTube about bodybuilding, how to grow muscle mass. So you can see my little Photoshop slides. But yeah, so I found that problem and it is annoying. So I found the solution and I thought make a quick, easy, simple tutorial on how to fix it. Because I tried to find some on YouTube and they're all slow. So if you enjoyed this and found it helpful, then consider sticking around on my YouTube, watching some other videos maybe. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.